like karibu sana erinde tunyare guchaka na kuro ase county ya Nyamira mwancho murigiriria nigo oritukuri igoro aboro kiwa aba Nyamira Polytechnic bono banyarite gukora okurobekana na ikirenga nokupora buna epare goso ase eskuru yobobundi teraba buya nganigo ebonete kurigirirwa na boigo korosigwa na boigo nekiro bakobore buna oborendi tiboisaini ase chinsemechio polikapo kara na nyarte utara na boigo twariganiria roboti rasenchira ere engekerano kegima
Nemambe arero imewadiga ya itibo ebunga North Mogrango ase skurega ya the Nyamira National Polytechnic aboroki wabaiga bakorokorobekana bakwemurungaririe barembe go swastin semechiga iyo kurenga namo na barabu etari gwetika nene chinga kimbra ya ture asebego bakwemurungaririe kuboro gwechitaya intuge kwirira musuntekere bechinga kichabo tuko ekegoso gochase oburende bwabo
unalemewa shule anatukalia sasa kuanzia leo sauti ya mwanafunzi lazima isikike
ndiko nyara gweta senjereye ekogere njereye ere megete mono nande gento kende ya kabere kara gwite skuru ko sangyo muamete igonge togwe sibi togwe ike skuru kwa sangyo to muamete
aboroki wabaigani baganiria amaganiande kunyara ko bagakuigwa no mwadimu munene wa skuru yiga unabono okwigora kwegeita egati amaganiande ayibaganire kwegwa ogoto
na kuna geti nyingine hapo chini inafaa kufunguliwa. Mtu unaweza pita aje 20 kilometers na unaona angalia tu mahali nana. So igati funguliwe na hii barabara ijengwe.
And infrastructure in this compound and we have to access the school through this road must be tarmacked and we say and we demand.
Huyu kwanza principal tunataka tuweke situation whereby principal can hear our demand and we can hear him. So long as hii barabara inaenda kwa national school na huko hiyo barabara nyingine inaenda ikonge imeundwa vizuri lakini inaenda shule mvua ikinyesha
Igobo igo bagende ko bakoma macho mu bunge bworo ngorego muskejo ash nyamachi nyamoko asekirenga ni haombirie chinseme chigaso ko barosheria amagendera yiga asaba muganire gutumekari bageri garangene serikali kubakonya gwikirano asaba ko bamuganire umwaziri w'echiseme gotarere skuru yiga eri kwigwebirere biga
nataka kuaddress Nyamoko. Mwambie Nyamoko wasitumia wanafunzi wa Nyamira National Polytechnic venye unataka. Nyamoko nataka nikuambie hivi. Hii maneno yako ya UDA, ile jimu yenu tunawaona. Hii barabara isipotengenezwa within 2 months.
Aboroki wabaigani go bagendere ko koroboseria tinsem asibasie kachi bara ase okubeka nchira emikurugoto bikabuna toko endembeo igo egotebekana umoroki wayomo nigatigirwa chingoma chintindi chirisasi chingaki pate magutara gwikase chiabisi chomwe MCA borogo ngoroiga rewadi ya itibo aiginko ripoti rigetasini kia wanchite kia getembe kurazinseme chiga cha North Mogrango county ya Nyamira inchigongoro kwa Polycap okara
gutigara ase oroboti oru mwanjo murigirire nigo bono omonto yomo anyarite koraswa nabo kagere koba abanyanyimbo goika ogosiria obugima bwaye na aboigo nigo bono oyore omo MCA we wodi yo yaitibo omosike onyancha omoskelamek onyancha gose umanyakanite buna enana anyare kwanera okurobekana uko nekero akuboria aboroki wabo mbabonete gusaba amagani abo ase injira ere engia injira ya maskani na boigo obotoereru
buya abanafunzi kende kionsi onye mutageta access yo konyora gusino mu MCA konyora no mo chumbe let us address it in a professional way onye ne pare bwato muchando e pare you have pado nanye begetase kelbi mboni gatendering ya chakire ngabwatanga teba buna tiganke beke erinde pare yo nyare gokonya abantu abu be ward yane igo para tingo nyara korosiri tukerimo negento geko batendad igo procurement rigento kubuka rero mambio gekore une county twabegete 20 million cha street lights chigo konye county engima abuna inje naona atebete nango gwana no mugavana erinde tunyare korigenjera turanyare gokonya abanafunzi aba erinde banyare konyora oburabu botambe epara eri korurogoro mpaka mate is less than 500 meters lakini sikuriye libonyunyu gari nindo setie para ya avocado oje kenyoroga nindosetie para ya Buombui nindosetie para ya Ndurumo oise kurierichi para ichionsi ndoseti ebagotena mugara muena kiumpe lakini agapara gasinini naandi gatari asende ngakobeku mono una ne excuse emekutano nere yatebigu yabekire egotaete gosaria erieta lakini n'abantu baiti botari bantu bare bariri nana gotena onde bwensi ochiete korigi besa nangosaria are kende nachi gotaiya abanafunzi bandamana igoro ya Nyamoko gose igoro ya Lamek Nyakianga gose nana nje ndamotaina just shame on you chikura ngoikachire naande stiri chikura nyato kunyara kuira tagutumeka abana babande bobe mpaka abana omwana akonyora makweri orengo omwana omusinini amakweri totarengereti na gose ngochaka toremeroberia amatangase ward ya neaitibo pole sana ase family abantu bonse bakenyoro pole na kenyoro Rutland ase ogosiria omwana kwaya mwanjete mono none omochumba oyi bakora amaigoro ye pare eyu mochumba takobuka itukori momotaina kwamoire 2 weeks nanyare korosia pare eria ayebeke rami okachi besa abegete muka kwenda kurusia beke rami nje nako batei twa communicate no mochumbe we were in a phone call twakwanire twarengere togokonya abanafunzi abo lakini nabarabu mbabwate leadership yabo batosike una na into tobasigete
Umanchi umurigereria kubatikana no kurobekana ugakorekana rituko ria saba gose rituko ria Jumatatu ndigo bono uyore umumanager ase ofisi yomo wakilishi wa Basubati ase kaunti ya Kisii omoske Doris Aburi umumanager oye Happiness Oirere nigo bono anyarire kwerera egati yemechando gose egati yobusaria buri bwabeire bogokorwa gochase abisiayo eyo chingaki abasai bakorobekana kaukwana nigiteseni kiga nigo bono anyarire kwerera una ekero asekero nigo obisiayo yabereke gwatwe birore nabo igo chimbago kubunwa nekero bakuburia onye siasa ke goswanana okorobekana kwa basai enyare gotuterware ase chingaki bunechiga nekero anyarire kugikiria egekorwa ekyo nagoteba nigo achibesa chinyinge chigotumeka aso kokora amonchorerio nabo igo kogendera kwagacha abisiayo ekero okorobekana gwakorire oro abatioro no muliketo Daniel Ontiri
ABC women rep we county ya Kisii moske Donya Doris Aburi ase okorobekana gwakira chingake nigo yabere gati ya chiria chigosariwa nase ntunda ya kane litukole igoro chingaki chokorobekana wa sabasaba magacha iga nigo hasaletiwe birore nebintu binde kubunwa sense meyo etambukiro kiagikiriwe nabobwatani kurwa sector au egati abo abo bisa kurwa sia bisi yo bakoragwa no manager we abisi ae Musubati Happiness Oirere
igora abantu nabo bati office bagate birore bagasaria umurembo ore ngororo abandi baito banyoreta amajera of which bachire ba report ande kera abantu bakora maandamano usi ntu akarorera bintu binga bune biga actually amangana twarorera office yo mweshimiwa Donya abaira mange wetani nonye na amangana ndonsi ense yiga kogera kirenga kikera maandamano akoba acha batochegi toroche bono ngabarorera umungina koba mbataiti komo amaskani aliaye yoko bomongina bwe county obatenenerete
okwana chinga kicho nigagikeria okurobekana gotarenge kwa mochoko egento bono kirirete nonyino kore marigwa kobokoreri hase chiabisi echi
abantu mbale batagete obusaidisi ku office yo mweshimiwa Donya batanyare konyora singenjo yebinte biga bigokoru bono kirengaki amandamano aba mwamwatire birore kirengaki mwate birore
chinga kicho nigo abonchorore kurwase omocho bosongo abo bari gati yabaria babere bagokonyeka kurwase abisi yo moske Donya aso gwekinia aso bonchorore babo babere ababwanguiga kuwekeria obosari obwo bagosereria gochigotiga obonchorore bwabo nakogenda gochikolendaro baraboka banyene gochasa matukale bosio onyo bosaria hasi chiabisi echi bogocha kogendererwa na mono chingaki cyo kurobekana
egatanda kiegale kiarenge egatande kebesana buna bangina
nakigwa tororere igatwachire street togokura amandamano ntonya kaneti lakini yo tokoboria sababu kikera rituko amandamano bagakoba mwagenda ofisi yo mheshimiwa Donya intubu nabangina twakemeire ringaneri kanya mubwata amandamano genda para mokwane birangara libyeno bigwekane abana chance twabasabe kanya moko genda amandamano eshimu ofisi ya mama ofisi ya mongina gatokonyete abande baito tyatokonyire ingoga gutore chibesa tiangafu koruororo abangotoere chipaseri gakimware huancha motigana na ofisi yo mheshimiwa Donya.
Kwa hakika waliharibu sana vitu vingi. Kwa ma estate pia waliweza kuharibu vitu za watu. Walipata gari nyingine huko Nyanchwa, walishambulia gari, wakaingia kwa boma ya mtu, wakachukua vitu zake, miwa nini, hawakuona. Mimi sikuona kama hiyo ilikuwa ni maandamano, lakini ilikuwa kitendo kingine. Manake mimi najua maandamano inakuwa ya amani. Tafadhali jensi, hata mimi ni jensi vile niko hivi, maandamano iko sawa, kila mtu ako na haki yake. Lakini ukiandamana jaribu kuchunga sana, maana ujui kama kesho utahitaji ofisi ya mama. Leo umeenda umeichoma chini, kesho ama kesho kutwa ndugu yako ama dada yako anataka kwenda shule. Mtatoa wapi basari?
Wamama oye! Wamamaria! Kuna siku tena ofisi ya madhe mtu atakaribia kwenda kuharibu. Kama ni hivyo, kama ni waandamanaji, sisi wenyewe tutalinda ofisi ya mama. Mimi mwenyewe aba defender. Tutalinda ofisi ya mama, ofisi isiharibike.
Asense mwende niko babolia obutuki kwango igwa. Elio abakagirwa bayimukiri gwegetambo kiregetindi kerichiko. Nkurubaderegeta seni kyagetembe elitrene nguruko Daniel Untiri
Mwancho murigire ritukeri mo orioka magega yaba MCA ikomi kwa isiko ase kurwase bunge ye county ya Nyamira ndigo bono na nderi tukure goro ekero ebikaro byanyarete kwiranirwa banyarete gukwanira gose banyarete gutwara egikaro kya bene kyo kurigiriria chibesa cyanyarete koba chigotumeka ase bikare biga bya bunge mashinani na bwigo budget ki yanyarete gutumeka ase amatukayo ebikare byo byarenge egokorekana ayega nigo anyarete kurawo no yore omukonyi bwo monogeri omuske James Amatinga nekero bono aba MCA abo banyarete gukwanira ose ekero banyarete kwerera buna ikine gitambokero ekiagyo kwanekia na chibesa cyabamenye be konti ya Nyamira cyatumikire Burungi umuriki tofati gadi gesemba gatwariganiryo ro asinjira eye
Rituko eremorio kaharia etire maiga yaba MCA ikomi abwo konya bagwikirana ase bikaro bya bunge mashinani koseri wa korwase bunge eyo nabande babere kwewa egisuro kyo gutaikirana ase bikaro bya bunge eyo nigo ase bikaro bya rero mugaso ebyo byaragwa no mokonyi bwo monogeri omuske James Matinga nigo aba MCA abaiga bagania kumanyiwa inchiraki selection committee ya service board ya choretwe na boigo inake board ye municipality ya Nyamira na keroka boigo bachoretwe boigo baganirie bamanyiwe inake mawaziri bwoboremi na boigo obutugi Peris Oroko aringoretiwe goika kwaegwa emeremo
no mheshimiwa Vincent Thomas Penichi ndo msewe wodi ya Kionyoro na ndo ya assembly ya Nyamira ndo debut chief whip wana ndo chairman the committee transport roads public works and disaster management tutaite kumanya abantu bali kiru in the financial year 2024-2025 bonds ngaibago colleagues mbara bibale ngaiba correct interview advertisement ngai arenge chibesa irenga bakori and budget kibago tumia muwasiri oli agirigacha iga chorwa iga libunge mashinani agakori gu fetting bunge mashinani naende agatianibwa agarade bunge mashinani naenda kaiwe gasio wasiri asagirigacha we want to know ngakiaro obisi ichiko kya gutumia
okwana boigo kurase ebunge ya Nyamira omo MCA obusamaro Charles Kiganda agania komanya enchira chibesa cyabete chigutumika na inkurwase budget kim engana ya wachinguru nomo MCA ugachuba Henry Obwaya.
How much money for the entire period of bunge mashinani was received and how it was utilized. How each member, be it an honorable member, be it a member of staff, how they received the money.
That information from the board should go back to September 2022 to date. with a breakdown on how much each member has been receiving and how much the previous board was dispensing the money.
Homo MCA Omagombo Mindariech nigo agania kumanya ningo oenanete e budget go chia bunge mashinani.
County fiscal CFSP that was taken to Mashinani and eventually passed at the Mashinani before 29th of February this year, which of course was later brought to this house. But I want to know who authorized the taking of CFSP to Bunge Mashinani.
Yansema yaye omubunge o West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mugaka ogokeire egetambukiro ky'aba MCA kubatumaka aba MCA abaiga 10
na tenenete ngakani abana bali bangairanete babuguretie keburugo na assembly babwata mashinani nkabakani gosira muri bakatenena bakangongora nelichiko lyake nyeri goteba ekero kwaborire bunge galia chintunda isana isato chibwate kaine aye kwalusirie kerogo kiao yabana bali bare kundama nari gukurira nari gukonya karua bworo sana asemore genda asemwari getugokoregas bakanga ekero lichiko ligoteba nga bakorire etamu yabo mara 8 bagendeka batwera genda tebe nga bantu babera obisimu anje.
Hinko ripota Gatembe kurasa magacho amanene ye bunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira ya kutoka emeya ward ya Township West Mugirango Jefatigad Hisemba
Bonjo murigiria kubatikana no gwako koisiko kwegati yaba MCA kurwa ase bunge ya Nyamira nigo bono egati yaba nanchi kurwa ase ward ya Bokeira bono banyare kugokera egetambukiro kyogwa kwa isiko como MCA bwechinsemo echo Muske Joel Ombongi nekero bono bakoerera buna ase amatuko omuske Joel abeire abisi nigo abeire ga kubaombia nabo igotari gotegerera ebirero byabo
Kolenga muna igoro dende twigwete egento ya Beneti MCA to Joel Ombongi kurusi ase bunge muna into bono abantu bakuruga polling station ya Nyamonge ntwago getege kona abandu tureni bikoroto ase nginjo oto kosara iria gekone tari acha na intu muna into abantu bakuruga iga Bokeira ntwanya komorora muna kurutwa kumagete chikura kibare chireire otoko gware guchimigori mande lakini bono muna nyabaro itakolete gasi engiye bagatema chuchini mpaka bakamubeka isiko bono twagogete nende ogosaba none karapiri tugosaba no muchaji ase koti arachi kwenda gaki nera akore muna bakorete turagokege kone
inche narengo mustari obosio asoka choro mumuro ye kiagara no mwana boda boda orenge oyo Joel Ombongi yo Bokeira bono ibrangu etibia renge lakini tokabuga ngoja gorie gubire egatoka buna byagundire akaro byagundire bono twaga nintu ntwaro jo nyabarombi yakorete kiagara ntwa bwate mu MCA konyo toirete na maja moirete lakini bono ndo nyigwete buna naruse tigwo tigagenda biya toje torare nyo ntoko chore ruo yonde tochore runyo ntoko chore tigatope buna nyamaiya
na mochorete lakini ayo ngonya gotungaina misini tokagangenda gokora bona ani bono tochandegete chipasa ritari gotoa lakini bono gaki birangweti byagundire tabatari gakiri bageriria tochora omonto tobeka ororo atokonye munenche no rosumo kuru Nyamonge ebara jare metwe baka bare bi bagotara gesona kiane ndarete ese getanda iga nanyora nga barache nyomba omo barakande choro omonto muyatokonye
turi tayari gochora obochori nekero togochora obochori lazima bono tochora omonto omaete gento agokora
Mwancho murigireria na baremi koro ase chinsemo aoi meye kaunti ya Kisii nigo rituko rigoro banyarete gochengera rituko orieri gesa agose elia baremi elio orikurugo abuna ushirika de omoyego yo nyarete gokorekana asinsemo ya daraja 2 aiga ase omochi obosongo ekero bono abaremi abo banyarete koegwa obosemia na kibaranyare gwekinia asinsemo yoboremi buna omorikito Anko Dipon Asanya agotomanya.
They need an enabling environment to grow their crops and to do business. Indeed, that's how we can grow as a country. That's how we can grow as a county.
Nigoria rengeri tukorinene asabaremi gochengero konyora kwa mukyobo wokoiboria ebimeri naboigo endagira
Amalieta Nkoro Cyrus Masenge Unyabichande ndenete department yekorokude yebiasara Kisii County rere twarengo moyega wogochengera rituko lya ushirika ese nsengima na intuga Kisii twalichengere sobwagare kiagera aba member bonds be cooperative bakiramo koligere nara liba kolire wetere cooperatives nande kulingana na serikali ya ito ye government ye kora odumo governor oito Paul Simbarati
abaremi koruchi sector ao imeye county ya Kisii igobaikirana asomo yegoywe ime yegeti kya Gusii Coffee Farmers Cooperative asebono baba bakoegwa ogusegetwa kwa konyora obuya bwokwerikia na kubwatana asebyombe elio banyare ko babakogokera ogusirwa nonyekurwa se serikali
nande momaete government yabekire chinguru SH cooperatives elinde tunyare ko batoko beka abantu baitamo banyare gwekonya nebimeri biri tokolema ese Gusii muna chikawa Beretram avocado na matoke ejine chivalue chain chiko korabu yese Kisii serira barieto lya Kisii youths to join cooperatives kiagera boniga cooperatives yaja ku embrace ngento kura technology igo nabeko bwato nde bwensi no embali abana ba minto bale isiko yense tiaba join cooperative jeito chinyare okina abande bonse Gusii erigereriwe nechinze chionsi mune county ya improve cooperative to another level
okubori okonene kugokore mechande yerenene abaremi bagwetera nokurwanirwa nabarai anene ase serikali anene bunenchera yemo yokobeke miroberio yokobasira ase sector yoburemi naboigo okogorora chi sector echichuburemi chinsemo ao
we have had issues of membership, we have had issues of dormancy. We have had issues of, as it has been highlighted, issues to do with digital, digital, moving forward with the digital era. But you see, that is why Waziri has said that is encouraging that there is a bill at the Senate that is told at the Senate for the last 1 year that intends to address some of those issues. And we also want to support what he has said, that if possible, that bill should be fast-tracked so that at least we have a better document that will be able to support our movements.
Kuripoti kitaseni kia ukiagatembe kuruiga daraja moja kutoka imeye kaunti ya Kisii litirana Nkoro kwa Dipon Hasanya
gutigara ime eye kaunti ya Kisii nigo bono oyore umukonyi umugavana Omoske Elijah Obebo bono agendere kumwakera Omoske Fred Matiang'i ekoko nekiro bono akonya kuboria umugusi anyare gochamo nabwo gukona ase eriogerimo nene muno ase okomosira Omoske Matiang'i ayaiga nigo arenge kuyakwana koro ase chinsemo cha bomachoge ya chache gutuka ase kaunti yega ya Kisii
nguru kumwe isimiwe salimache kurunyali bali chache ngo buri buchumba nyali bali chache ngo ndi pikipiki yali menyingo main stage ase Kenya ya muro turegochi kuru mulima Kenya turumboka bakamba go turumboka paka so baruto sogo yali oche western igo bago tebo mo isimiwe Fred Okengo Matiang'i no wanja state ausini state mo so ngoraiga na itwa bantu barugo bate go tayariga ole kitajiria kiringo tumanda abantu mambiende bachole bachichaiga babeke birobu etayoko bona italia manya twetali mwateba eri nabangi nabanyolera abana sabu mugaso batira se kalto bosoku banyolera sabu wanda okoraki konyolera elio moelio kyakiza kyali mbati mangana mange mangana ali munaya abantu bamindo baba machoke aya mwakwana Julius Nkoya kwana igo tolime ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i tuko ndani yange mokuliye karoge ke momo cha goitagati ya motebani moko monyererana mobe no empata to igate ko gwenera lakini je tini ko support yonde egento ndate boli moko tolente na doko ira talibo
Koirana wika ase county ya Nyamira mwancho murigireria nigo bono serikali ya county yo agenderete gusira amasomo ane mono ensemo yo koena na ebirasi via ECDE gocha gosokwa gacha ebirasi via ECDE gocha ase chiskuru titkorigoro ekiro ebirasi binyarete kwa gacha ase eskuru gose bianyarete koigorwa ase eskuru ya Nyaronde gotoka mewodi ya Nyansiongo nigo bono oyore mu waziri wechisema kurase county yo atebete serikali ye county yo nigo ebwate iganga yo kwene kiabuna ya nyari gusira aborokiwa ase chinjira chonsi nabo igo gusira chisemi ime ye county iyo.
Siku ya leo tuko hapa kwa hii wodi ya Nyansiongo kwa shule ya Nyaronde kupokea class ya chekechea ambayo Mheshimiwa Gavana ametengenezea watoto wa chekechea. Katika hii shule tuko na idadi ya watoto 50 wanaosoma katika shule ya chekechea. Tumefurahi sana, wazazi wamefurahia na watoto na walimu wetu wa ECD ameprovide class ya tudo ya kusoma PP1 na PP2. Ndani ya hiyo darasa kuna meza na viti vya kukalia vya watoto. Kunayo lockable lockers kwenye watoto wanaweka vitabu vyao vya kusoma. Kunao tank ya 5000 liter tank kwenye watoto wananawa mkono na kunywa maji, na katika class iko well lit, iko na electricity, na tunashukuru sana kwa sababu sasa watoto wetu wako na conducive environment ya kusoma. Baadhi ya pia programs zingine ambazo ziko katika hii idara ya elimu, tuko na mfumo ambayo governor alitangaza wa kuletea watoto fortified porridge. Hii fortified porridge itapelekwa katika mashule yote 408 schools within our county.
We thank the governor who gave the school 2 classrooms where our learners are going to be. The environment, I know it has changed. What I can promise the governor and the community of Nyaronde, I will make sure I will maintain the classes and improve the standards.
Kafiris nyabuko mbaba nigonde no magoko manene asengenjo gabano itatu inyuire ekiagera otoroseirio birasi tutanya gutwara linda matukari bosio igo twachandegete abana twari kumigana ase birasi ekaro twari gosomiga iga twachandegete abana bachandegete batabwate birasi bisaine bono twabeire no mogoko manene ase gabano ito n'abarimu baito ase engencho abarimu baito konya go bachandegete kogachera nona abana erongori ase bakobeke ebirasi, lakini bono barosari gubaka ekirasi ebakechika batichira ororo bagocha kobeka chirongori abana abwe echirongori chiabe chibe safe ekero bakurusuka ase break banyore chirongori chiabo banyu. Bono nigo tore no mogoko monene ase gabano ite ase eng'encho atonyoire esukuru ya Nyaronde naende egento kende gabano itonyoire baka chicho chia abana ba ECD echire kando. We are very happy.
Mwancho murigireria asenseme yinongo kolera ekeonga chinse kumenebere echia bono mambi nekero ondo chinga mumanyere kurwase county ya Nyamira agotebanga gaki no ari no murugio ezipore kira agotebanga gaki bono Kenya ni yogoita bono mwana buna ori Onyamira wakwa Alisa sinaba sigari akuboringa tiga ngabuno mwana ori bonyarete wakwa Alisa inki akorete awakwa risasi korende nande ansensemo ya ebunge county ya Nyamira nigahotanga tiga aba MCA abo bagende nka batonyarire batakaire yahote batakaire enyamira otanga ntobwati mariogo ase chinyagitari gakitiga bagende pi nga aba MCA abo banyarite gwakwa isiko ngegati aba MCA no banyare kogera county ya Nyamira egendete ogotaka timetinga ningo goitabirana nekerengerere ikiaye umumanyi nerebia umanyere tari aho tinse mu kiromba tukorumbara bibi ole na barabo eme yomorobere kinga kichafo mambi nabo igo ekerengerere ka ongereke teresa ke munda hota una botambe kuro Karatina agota pamoja hadi tamati. Good morning to you. Edwin Omwenga utakuru Kiserian Dam present and watching a live mbia mwana sana. Victor Onyoki ni hotanga uguka wa ushago 0 Shago 25 streaming live from Nyangusu Wokinami Agotaba village Rigena pia mwana sana Kiongo Mary nikahota gukorwa Nyabuya pamoja bia mono Kigima Christopher atandi korwa Burangi Kenyambi no murugio ya Lydia Kirbo hadi tamati kama kawaida bia mono sana musori bwege susu out watching live korwa Nakuru City Slums Club bia mono Kigima Rose Michiemo Edelmont out watching live from Nairobi Pipeline na Omo Gaka Oye Naftal Onyango mbia muno sana ase mwensi bali mugenda tukulika ujumbe chaino wataiga ase studio chinse moja Facebook Getembe TV actually Getembe TV nigo okoyonyora ase chinse moibere igo announce alia ase ogoswa nabo okunyara kubeka ujumbe yago chinga kichiga achia wono mambili tari yago chinse mochiri tubate koru nabo yona botumanya esikino nkokoriere ebuya nere buya kwanyara gusanga ekirengere kyao nalio togomanya narari abwatite ase chinsemo echiore muna promise nyabwabo no ari me yomorobere nabo igo Prevalin Anyaboke nigagotanga from Keroka to Kotionde in mbia mono sana good morning abantu ba Keroka bantu bakuru chinsemo chia Kasarani abo promise nyabo abo bakwani ibonsi bae amaiga igondo bwensi oligeti gusangana inchi chinga kichabo no wambi endonye tina nyara konyora ujumbe eyago ase evireviga nabo okolikari ukoga bwe kyagerekera torachikwera na nere mienda samwa sensemo echi gazeti ntuche ko bato korigerega nda utigare me yo murobero yega ikyagera na mange tuko aliganeti ase ritukeriga ari arero
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentere nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo elekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangane duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje tega Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amate yao kuri miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwego kinemirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mwamogusi. subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tokukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV subscribe comment ase chi video cheto boigo share na basani amune amate elyo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere elyo onyaliko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirugo byechisovaset bagomba bwate chikapet chisanduku cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo echo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chivibe cyokoroseria ebirugo na boygo chips cyokorosia chipillowcase echo okorarira
Gagi. Omwana yo boy, diganda ndango ichibesa. Chibesa ntabwate muko, lakini naikire taraja seito, nanyorire mwa boy Juakali. Hai, bone chibesa kwenda mpulingi go pulingi. Emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru. Emeito yo konyora bana chisare. Kwara zangu ra duniani. Kaki, horoje paka nabwate paka ebinto mbire bakoro kwa chiferi veti. Chikorozi, ebirogo. Biechikali. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba sepinga imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu waki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu goja moye binto koruga mwapo ichu wakali. Hili! Omuganga chemisi onkoroko. Kaki.
Mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo byechigali na boigo ebirugo bya leather. Gusechi sofa set cha leather. Gwetania abo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet. Echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia. Nebintu nebyo. Mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonya nechitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaiba gutuka nigo bagutuka ange ne hotel ya Kisii Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisii Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
Njempo Juakali sto na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisii Hotel na bariga ni mwesto
Gagi. Gagi, genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba poli Juakali. Gagi, egotoka alinsali taraja mbili. Gagi, ligere libudango kuanete, omosio mubihili. Gagi, nariri goli kwa alense. Ebinto nago lirega gagi. Boy Juakali. Hai! Hili! Gagi! Hili! Hai! Ngogongonya. Omosio mubihili. Polite bintu mnimamba.
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge buno tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange
we call your prostate eno boruire bwa sumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari what you call the genesis of diabetes na kiboruire bwe sukari bo somo bero boime hypertension no boruire kramanyinga kogende gureso mobile walfiti itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa lya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngentunga conventional medicine yani ubonyagitari obwa kawaida tosomete ngentunga nutritional medicine na marioga lyakurwese endagera yaito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntubiko amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esoko rwari amarwaire. Nchirende yagata tusomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine. Tugutumia maliogo akoru esemete twarwari amarwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntubwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega igamarikiti marigiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntubwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit L Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Ekariye kiri eikendi agotekwa buna chi kendi chinde uboita bogo tigire radio nubwansu bukoigwa iwe buna naure Rumba na mashabik numero video okoletwa simule nere Polycarp ukara uchakira chinsa isaro nibire chamabaso wika chinsa ikomigoro kila lituko liye sabato ime ya 102.7 Getembe FM ekeneke onka kiama mugusie. Nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyuru kinyumo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao munabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega ashirigo lidio gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare no bamanyi baigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukurika jumbenge wego gwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigo yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Kyobongolyo mwanone kiririjane
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinse mu buno savings loans obosemye bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibaliensemo ya pension boyko abonchereria ibwatanine wa Kenya pamoja sako iyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinse muna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik saba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com
Njama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga
CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sacco ya kushughulikia members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sacco kuna financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikome na inya chire within Gusii ona into toro konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese biashara byabo ase sacco na gosebwa ase sake ese wali batala join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na Gusii yeito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Abasaivi alikia makiaya Vono Link Up Show ni kuja kulijwe mbao kigima kila litukuli Jumatatu weke Ijumaa kuchakira chinse sana nebere chama baso wika chinse kumigoro umrena nera Wizard Crown Vakubwatrana na DJ Topsha on ones and twos. Kongolele muziki, makwa showbiz, trending issues, namanginande, yekielekea makiaya. Link Up Show, Link Up na sisi. Kuruwa sasaba wika ikomigro, Wizard Crown na DJ Topsha. Imehe ya Getembe FM 102.7. Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate time tembo abo bagokolimbire mu ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo okunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwe kasule asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo rangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Salva Kiir ni nyagitari ya kerero asumu chubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare negekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guche Kilgoris nige kurwa obugwenia asenchira ya kerero asugutumia chimashin chekerero abwasi bw'abanyagitari bobwate obumanyi bw'igoromono mbobwate inpatient gosechi ward naboigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochianka mbobwate maternity yekerero yubwate chimashin chekerero laboratory yekerero gose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chenu nigo kirigoro asinyagitari ekobwanyagitari ndionsi asorgongoroiga boigo mbobwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yukuringoria nobuwenia bwa maisa gose optical department abwase bobwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbobwate boigo ensemo ya maino gose dental section yebwate chimashin ichekerero bobwate boigo pharmacy gose eduka ya mariogo yebwate amma riogo onsipi aliuraganirigwe goetania onsi ligoririabo nelianse pi ngwanchira bale omoroberio osha osibali bwate omoroberio osha naboigo nkurike bale omoroberio osha otarigwakanira kende gyonsi asamange bakire simyase namba 0799747414 Salva Kiir Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono. Stemo Nugabast ni nyagitari ekukurwaria asechinchira chekero kurwa chinsi cha maiko nigo bakurwa obubwenia bwabene asekera omoroire abo asekera bakurwari with a lot of privacy okubwenigwa ayebweka asibitanda byabo bibwate obubwenia bwabene mbari gutomeka ntetere gustarko beto sindane yira kubekere chemical ndiyonsi asomobere igwa nigo kubwenia amarwire bunabono egetekyo mugongo naboigo kwirania amaugabya abanyagitari babo nigo bobwate obumanyi bwebirengo byechinse echa maiko ekero bakorwa obubwenya bwabo nigo bakora n'ubwanchani obonene namaguri yabo nigo ale ayanse monokigima bagotoka ase nyumba ya Umoja Complex third floor eyo yarenge Family Bank enkro eyere angene Cooperative Bank asamange bakere simyase namba 0741903162 0758066164
Inche asamarieta ngoroku Agnes Mora omonyagitari omonene Ostemo Nugabest nkoira libageri mwensi abagusi kubaligania ase Stemo Nugabest aiga Stemo Nugabest etokobwenia ase gotumia chimashine chekerero igo bali mwensi mwachandikira asama rwaire ao twabariganiri tobae obobwenia bwekerero inchu mwensi togokera obobweni bwaito aiga Stemo Nugabest biamon
ajirira gocha Stemo Nugabest abo ase uranyore obokoreri bwigoromono. Gotera chinko chinkureta elioki waitiro ne chingake gotumeka chinko chinyinga asomorero omosinine boyko byaitiro ne chingake bono Alpha Rice Briquettes na lyuri chiburiao ase okorosia endagera na boygo gwata asibigori byonsi ni chiamate chonsi Alpha Rice na makara ao nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero tabuatirioki no nyenerika agotumeka kemono nende akoira egekakuya umuriro ene kebemberi ligoridiaye neligiya amakara ega nigo agokiania kuna chukwemete yeito gose deforestation boigo obuyobono nobo ogokiania gokonyora kwendwali ya kansa Alpha Rice Briquettes na bogutumeka ase chioteri chinyagitari chinka chiskuru na boigo nabugusamba inyama tutarere asumu chubusungu na bugutwakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rice Briquettes naye tuanchete.
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheli guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochogane chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale awatagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etv ya uwanje Tiger Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amono chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemero yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia mamogusi. Subscribe ase channel ya Getembe TV rero iliwi manyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Getembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Getembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Getembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto boigo share nabasani amone amate elyo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekenge elyo onyali kubagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Getembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeonga kia mamogusie.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirogo byechisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki chamanna baguchira eskuru na boigo echokubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa elia manna baguchira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirogo na boigo chips chokoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira.
Gagi umwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibeza ntabu atemuko lakini naikire taracha seito nganyorere mwapo ichi wakali hai bone chibeza ko enda mpulingi ko pulingi emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru emeito yo konyora bana chisare kwa razangu ra duniani kaki horoje paka nabwate paka ebintombire bakoro kwa chiferi veti chikorozi ebiroko biechikali. Hai, kaki apa kusiba sipika imore. Kaki imore. Hai, inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu koja moye binto kuruga mwapo ichu wakali. Hili, omukaka temisi yokoroko kaki.
mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo bya kigali nabo igo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetania abo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha arms ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonya ne chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaiba gutuka nigo bagutuka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete otaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
Njempo ichwa karisto na barika ni mwesto kole biasara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na barika ni mwesa
Gaki. Gaki, genda mwapoi gaki nyasaye baba poli chuakali. Gaki, egotoka alinsa alitara chambini. Gaki, ligere libudango kuanete, omusio mubihili. Gaki, nariri gori kwa sarense. Ebinto nago lile gaki. Pui chuakali. Hili. Gaki, hili. Hey, ngokongkonya. Musio mubihili. Kuri tibintu mlimamba.
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge buno tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate eno borwere bwasumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what we call the genesis of diabetes ngakyo borwere bwe sukari bwo somo bero goime hypertension no borwere kramanyinga kogenda igure somo bero walfiti itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa lya marwaire enchere ntangani itosomete egento nga conventional medicine yani ubonyagitari obwa kawaida itosomete egento nga nutritional medicine na marioga alyakurwese endagera yaito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntupiko amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika bigo tumbeka esoko rwali amarwaire nchirende yagata tusomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine tugutumia mariogo akurwese mete twarwali amarwaire igao muchito bosongo monene ntubwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marigiti gaiswa wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A ntubwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room
2. World Fit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura bachiko ya mandege uzito somya bamura bachiko ya mandege
Chomurigire nesemo yechi gazeti nekera nguko aliganio onyare gusangana into ase ensemo yeiga erinde tunyare kurigereria narari agenderete ase chinsemo chinsemo cha Facebook, YouTube obunagetembe TV aria YouTube tunyabunagetembe TV and FM erindo nyare gusangana into wika omoere aiga ase studio ndenere mienda sam naboigo Erika Buga.
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
Nagimwa baiga koranga. Ense isko ya nyirire.
Okay. Mugaso trauka. It's kind of chilly na way.
Okay, no baiga okay no chiete skoro. Neti usini jobe kangi wetopo.
One, we are just respecting the weather. That's why I told a bit cold night. Lakini mbieto inchibona inchembi yande by the inchembi yande.
Abuga.
I've been taking a cold shower for the last 3 days, because I think it's negative in Kenya Power. Yesterday I went to Kenya Power to remind my name to I think it's on Monday, and my bank one man I think they wanted to go deep to the night, but I'm traced man. On this Monday, mpaka macha makendo ngo isipi. Ya mkungwa ndio tinga pale ngo kwa macha ne gas. Unazia macha makendo. Leo Kenya Power ni nje tegera bana inji, basi kwa ni pate kwa bono korogo no bori. System ya Kenya.
Yes. I think abosa macha makendo. Tiga mbange chibesi cyo ko refill gas kwa kama kende gons. Ubu kendo boiga. Bede itali go sorry. Nchirenzi kendete siku rahisi.
And especially abantu ba Nairobi na barabara naro chengo.
Nairobi ndoche bakolera. By the way Nairobi ekero yikiro mutinyi uno teri kwa verere. Timiti gali ninki geuchi kiaba kusina se. Tinki geuchi kiaba asali ya weekend bobepi. Eno itari mangana. Ekero metengu bate county ya Nyamira ne ere special in some way. Mwera nego solitimeti no na kimoto baya creo que no. Bora litukore bora tuturiete aba Kenya barubikanira na Monday. Lakini bono aba Kenya kurose county ya Nyamira litukore abondirere. Litukore abo yaringe chitariki 8. Yabo yaringe special. Timetinga alafu kero kuligererie ase kurubikana koli. Eye ekwarenge unique. Bora bo ba kusambe bitu gibie chai.
No, me, I just confirm. Eric said it's as funny as it is.
Mike cross studio ya Kavere. Twalikana eke robot yoro cross county ya Nyamira. Kana no chenga basaheba Nyamira National Poly. Ni gubanya ritego tebanga para ya bere bobe obolindi tiboyo. Bakama waso para. Ndoche bintu bale ngokora. Timetu sino kurubekana balengi. Usinembo eli ya mwiso ndi ababwata.
You see Matilda, una nago tabati igoro yo kurobekana kwa Nyamira. I clearly stated perhaps Nyamira doesn't need sabasaba. Nyamira doesn't need the normal Gen Z protest to bwate. Perhaps iko bwate a lot of issues chiko press the county that iko chigo ntakobe priority.
Ichi abo priority era sobura ewe county.
Wetania kogenda kokorobekana amangana sabasaba. It trochinga ne para bakurobekanira ase ensemeri ya Nyamira. And it's a funny county, and for true it's very unique in a way. The county is unique, like in Nyamira, and the uniqueness seems to be louder than other counties. The thing in Keroborai, including other things. Yes.
Abuga. Ano mumenyiwe county ya Nyamira.
Ni mumenyi Nyamira, Nyamira say.
Yes.
There's a difference reside and living somewhere.
Nyamira say no.
I'm living in Nyamira. That's all. Reside.
Kina tebro mumenyi.
I'm residing in Nyanjo.
Oh.
No. Nyamira ninga.
Yes.
Nyamira the luxury is Kenya cosmopolitan region. Lakini wana ya ikirengaki tageto kwa. Akonyi mate kwenye mbaya wangu kurusko. Akonyi wako within. Wala denga Omicron solution ni more stronger than the solution kwa kurusko. Yenye mbaya hao. Lakini wana ya ikirengaki tageto kwa. Akonyi mate kwenye mbaya wangu kurusko. Akonyi wako within. Wala denga Omicron solution ni more stronger than the solution kwa kurusko. Yenye mbaya hao. Lakini wana ya ikirengaki tageto kwa. Akonyi mate kwenye mbaya wangu kurusko. Akonyi wako within. Wala denga Omicron solution ni more stronger than the solution kwa kurusko. Yenye mbaya hao. Lakini wana ya ikirengaki tageto kwa. Akonyi mate kwenye mbaya wangu kurusko. Akonyi wako within. Wala denga Omicron solution ni more stronger than the solution kwa kurusko. Yenye mbaya hao. Lakini wana ya ikirengaki tageto kwa. Akonyi mate kwenye mbaya wangu kurusko. Akonyi wako within. Wala denga Omicron solution ni more stronger than the solution kwa kurusko. Yenye mbaya hao. Lakini wana ya ikirengaki tageto kwa. Akonyi mate kwenye mbaya wangu kurusko. Akonyi wako within. Wala lakini esta ndo discuss issue ya mira kan twa mai tenga chiko vile na via beta kindende ikiri available lakini the idea yego demonstrate yesterday wa Nyamira National Polytechnic ndo the nenga issue ya Nyamira County because college nyingi chipota na from outside locality but to investigate issue ya Nyamira National Polytechnic I don't think Nepal nega demonstrate that much yesterday Nepal, I was waiting for our reporter from that region. I thought keep because at the point where I demonstrate, the party by day. Admission to a school or say college.
Demand
and the for more than 50 years. The party are angry cool. I at least the parak. No, we are into a new financial year. Not to talk about when financial year. So it's a party we expecting my food to school out to a bit sharp, or demanding pirates within 2 weeks after budget year. But from the local spending, still get paralleling an excuse. Yeah, could be other issues sharing around Vago and then Parasoka para. We are told them is to keep an eye on school. Yes, no one week in one room to gas tomorrow. So, it can now stay slowly para in a demonstration. Pakikaromo, Yakanoya, Mugatongo, quality engineering, which are at the end, I was taking advantage of the demonstration. They are going way too far, but they must have done anything. They could have summoned a member of parliament from that region. That's how telling a parliament as a budget or say county government.
Yes.
Depending on a parliament, maybe. Well, they could demonstrate, okay, they wanted to go to Omochibwe member of OMCA. So demand a par. You see, OMCA, project starting yesterday, I go Kamachi from the assembly with the budget. But they want to implement the project.
Actually, ekyo gekorunande ase wodi avokera umete konti ya Nyamira tari asubube wodi avokera nande narucha bamenyi esemo ya bamenyi bagusange birengere byabo nabarabo ekyo bakorera bagotebanga abayiwete buya ekyagera omweshimi wa Joel Ombongi akiro isiko omo MCA enga tatoro sereti para kirakende kwamanya kweboli naki mbamanyete emeremo omo MCA abonete gukora
you see by the
ono nali bago tanga tato etiche basari insinyirenga omo MCA basari kichiga abonete kuba tato etiche basari tarosetie para takora tigo sembintoki.
You see, Matilda, abantu abange, they fail to understand emirimo y'abantu bagochora.
Yes.
In that chipare chi nchiro nande nchire subdivided. Ndobwate chiri chiko bana kura kera, ndobwate chumugaba nagokora omugavana oyue ogokora gwetera maybe gwetera se county government and people don't understand nabokonyoranga aba menyi bense mugete na bago demonstrate they don't really know ngoba bwente go address wente gokora emereme ye pare yugo sekiri babwente ko komanya Baramanya, I think there's a civic education that should go around because there are responsibilities chakero muntu. Chomo MCA chomo jumbe nchirecheji, mpara ki mujumba akorosi, mpara ki nano mujumba in fact abati CDF has no kitty yokorosi para. It's only that yago patron nando and bleed in serikali such that baros. Lakini we don't have a kitty that a member of parliament abwenta korosi. CDF is very clear. Nelinga chirichirangene school being part of the school na chiara arosi kwa sababu the CDF takes care of the security issues na mangana infrastructure chi school and education eji basari
nechi para chi kubwata
ni school lakini he has no kit gakorosie para igonga nelinga agakobe patron and partner with some of the care the kura egere paros chipara through the national government. That's why when I'm magandrando shokora yako ligunga NG CDF yani that is a government doing but in courtesy of the member of parliament or SNCMU. So I think our people need some civic education what happens like there's a motion anarocho esio kenyurwa abegete senate the county assembly should the county should have what we call a civic education. It and general just told Nyamira honestly it was just an excuse kyogo cha demonstrate. But when you look at the language those guys were speaking, you could really telling the issue of para yakatiki yarengo.
Asengane yo omonje murige tokonyora roboti orokoro ase county ya Nyamira buna aboroki wabo viskuru ya Nyamira National Polytechnic banyarto korokoro bekana rituko regoro.
Nemambe arero. Imewadiga ya itibo ebunga North Mogrango ase skurega ya the Nyamira National Polytechnic. Aboroki wabaiga bakorokorobekana bakwemurukariye barembego Swanston Semechiga. Iyo kurenga namo nabarabu etari gwetika nene chinga kimbra ya ture asibego bakwemurungarire kuborogwe chitaya. Egintuge kwirira musuntekere bechinga kichabo tuko ekigosogo chase oburende bwabo.
Unalemewa shule, wanatukalia. Sasa kuanzia leo, sauti ya mwanafunzi lazima isikike.
Ndiko nyara kweta senjereye yakogere njereye remegete mono. Nande gendo kende ya kabere kara kwite skuru ko sangyo mwamete igonge toke muna. Togo esibi, togo ike skuru ko sangyo to mwa.
Aboroki wabaigani go baganiria amaganiande kunyara ko bagakuigwa no mwadimu munene wa skuru iga. Unabono okwigora kwegeita egati amaganiande ayibaganire kwegwa ogoto.
Na kuna geti ingine hapo chini inafaa kuvumbuliwa. Mtu unaweza pita aje 20 kilometers na unaona angalia tu mahali nana. So igati vumbuliwe na hii barabara ijengwe.
Infrastructure in this compound and we have to access the school through this road must be tarmacked and we say and we demand.
Huyu kwanza principal tunataka tuweke situation whereby principal can hear our demand and we can hear him. So long as hii barabara inaenda kwa national school na huko hiyo barabara nyingine inaenda ikonge imeundwa vizuri lakini inaenda shule mvua ikinyesha
Igo bagendeko bakumamacho mubunge borogongorego musike Josh Nyamachi Nyamoko asekirengani gaombirie chinseme chigasoko baroseria amagendera yiga asabamuganire gutumekaria bageri garangene serikali kubakonya gwikirano asabego bamuganire omwaziri w'ekiseme gotarere skuru yiga eri kwigwebirere biga.
Nataka kuaddress Nyamoko. Mwambie Nyamoko wasitumia wanafunzi wa Nyamira National Polytechnic wenye unataka. Nyamoko nataka nikuambie hivi. Hii maneno yako ya UDA, ile timu yenu tunawaona. Hii barabara isipotengenezwa within 2 months.
Aboroki wabaigani go bagendere ko korobosaria tinsem asebasie kachi bara ase okubeka nchira emikorogoto bikabuna to kwende mbeo nigo egotebekana umoroki wayomo nigatigirwa chingo machintindi chirisasi chingaki patema gutara gwikase chiabisi cyo MC borogongoriga rewadi ya itibo Eginko ripoti rigatasini kya obwanchete kya Gatembe kuratsinse mechiga cha North Mogrango county ya Nyamira inchegongoro kwa Polycarp.
Nandi to expected ya ngoma tuko abakenya batoerete.
I hope Nyamoko historia maandamano is coming too much in this country but I hope mozimbe Nyamoko about the data wanafunzi wale Nyamira National Polytechnic. See inga about the data I confirm wanafunzi wa some from North Mogrango the rest are third or in a quarter.
Actually ikine tukere fadi sana.
They are making again. See coming to one member of parliament. It's like now coming to National Polytechnic kwanza kuona mheshimiwa Zaire Janda para nini. Ye National Polytechnic kana fuzi peka nyaji bacha sana wa road kuma threat ninga na one term. Na mkusabi na second term. So the idea wa express issues chavo which are say those in powers and leadership very way. You see pale we need to confirm kwanza pale it's the national government. Kere kure yani we need to confirm pale in which category it is.
Yes.
But naroche MC omo skena na bairanireti kira kubatinga nchiriri tiringia.
See now there is an issues it's filed from the institution but the principal and secretary in the channel yao. That was the reason why they are demonstrating. Not the parade. Look at that project the parade the gali telling a parade standard in more. Nyarosa tu this financial kama go chake. Palinzi watu tukula maintenance levy. Shikaroseri. Yakoro mwaka it's this is the end of another thing mwaka wa financial mwaka ya hili. So nye parade kerembe could have gone to the member of parliament by request.
Ikine ndo bonko mwaberina kigenda ali
to a point that nye parade which can institution kerembe. Where was the principal? Where was the school board of the college? What the council? Where was the board of management? The institution here. the principal bang na project member of parliament se governor mantenge pale nembe for appointing wanafunzi abaso was pale, it means there was no communication between the school and the students. Now where the students union college amount banga to asinyu to mojumbo boris onye mojumbo boris is CDF manager bangumira even the guys ba communication mojumbo office mojumbo osipat patorking akiriventega twali kireto mojumbe ata respond but I'm coming out open to demonstrating and send para then the message intended
mojando ule kuru nyumba kuru school
mojando nyumba imete bali ni mojando nyumba ime sina the demonstration ya room on top and sometimes I ask people like oneka ndabangu andamana umunya kenyoronga yali ngene because wangu andamana akaja toka front line ajawa kulisa because kato kine if there was an institution within asomanyete asa kato kine to maintain infrastructure netoke kwanda mananda babu wino paka mwana mwezi because you never know the background on you ko wate gali wata munyo ko romonte pedestrian you run away from them kono yemna kenyoro asa to toka timai and looking at this picture here was gali wale ngate wa less than 4 that means they were there to the point pakati wa gaisas will not tell you any student any villager any result maandamano.
Yes.
Nanche kolengano naligereria we actually you can tell they had more pressing issues from the institution itself more than EPARE because babu I don't know was no more lijeto I don't want to judge nero tabwa EPARE libya was
EPARE
actually na lakini when you look at it ndia kwa para telimbe eliora demonstrate and again when you are doing a demonstration here right it sounds good onye mbraya tu maana to aranga terigweteka but for me I feel like these students had something internal actually kwa sababu igwete na ari okwana mangana infrastructure na aro kwana gosenge itaki keigorwe na aro kwana principal nga abategerere that could be now the main problem lakini baga change the name of EPARE you see demonstrations share sense you can tell maybe the finance bill ya got some sense lakini bona gazi to ikire abande bataye tubayunga kitanda mandamano if you sit them down ask them what really brought them in the street to kokara mandamano you will realize that people don't have an idea the only idea is that bataye to koenda para nyamira bakanyire date 7 y'abantu barenge para they never went bachire gweta say those students and my question is that demonstration is going to make sense more, no? If we could have that polytechnic in Erali, but also villagers. What is the position of the villagers concerning us EPARE? Because babu na ubaraba tumekia banene.
Yes.
Alina sega alinkwa chiluga chigo kwa nwene chinyinge. But we are not saying much as rending patari hapa kusi arateros EPARE ambi yaman. Then you have had the issue of UDA and what?
Ngai
UDA kuru. Because Murayo at that moment,
yes.
The ETR UDA was ODM, the issue was EPARE. Why is the UDA thing?
Especially kura saba nafuzi.
Especially kura saba nafuzi. And nawaranyo no mwanafuzi yo mwenyene, anagetare kurunot magrango. So let us have a way that thing on your demonstration chiko toka, we know the meaning of it and to achieve. Like now the Sabasaba, could in the leaders you want to go and the supermarket. How comes we have a supermarket being banned the day of Sabasaba? We are commemorating that day on other issues, perhaps it is so important more than Gosambe Para. So I think Matilda, the students through the leadership should go sit with the principal who they are claiming has a problem. Maybe they saw the issues. Mangana EPARE. Mangana EPARE wasn't part of the needs. And one ragalia and again to Kend. I do cover demonstrations in last time. No about demonstrate by the way. Sometimes don't hold this police to account. The police were forced to rotate tear gas. And I'm by a cover, but a woman and go to the barrack. What does that tell you? If you are peaceful, nobody will touch you. I was here. I saw police. They don't touch anyone. But until you provoke them. And they are doing that to protect themselves. Because they are very violent. You are human. goiko seek protection. Yes.
Ase gazeti ya The Standard omwancho morigereria amangana rororo egoteba buna osiringana nene egotebanga innocent blood eukonera ayo akorekana ritukuria moisonde ekero kurubikana wasabasaba kwanyarete koba ugwoko gosereria gose ekero kwirete abantu wetane bono 30 osiria amagimabo akorengana nebyombe biri byukorwanira obwene bwamanya abantu nekere gotebanga shared by police nigo ebwate chibicha chigati ya bali banyarete kuraswa ase ritukeriga ria Jumatatu mwancho murigire mugano yora page ya kane ne ya gatano nekere ondoche nige gosingira buna egati tia mate nigo chikorera buna egati abali ose abange bali banyarete wakwa masasi ngani go balenge ase chishuguri cyabo cha botambe abange bako abande bali kurwemeremo munyaruka oraiga bo myaka 12 ase county ya Kiambu era nigo arenga ase nyumba bakoregererie TV nera konyara kwa risasi ndose buna kurosoro gongorwa Western hote ase Kakamega abare abasae ugoikera ekerengo kia 50 no mona batano na 67 youth nigo bono bagenete kobera ase amagoko y'abanyanyimbo ase uko magega yo kubekwa byara igoro yokoreta eburaburu chinga kichikorobekana lituko erio ya Jumatatu na asense moyende ebicha neregendete gutara embe kegima kurase county ya Kiambu ekerekorokia abanyanyimbo bakongusa omo Kenya oyomo bwakire risasi bakumukurura ase ebara na epeji ya kabere nigo ekwerera buna ababegu banyarete gusagana enyagitari ya Kitengela sub county ekero abaroira abange baringe konyora obukoreri echo chire mwanjo murigere oruroro roboti rwokogosereria kigima ayo na anaro alegati ya ariaramana se gazeti ga korende na boigo ndocho muskerga digashagwa nigakuburia ekyombekerie kya musiki gambiro Against International Criminal Court ICC kinyare gusonana amangana igagendeta sense ya Kenya na boigo okora kumuringo uri omuske William Ruto igoro yoboiti obubwabere bokorekana chinga kichukorobekana na abange bakorera abancho babo nabande bakorera ogosiria enibo kwetera asukurobekana ko kwabere ko bokorekana na asense moyende nkorigereriere igoro yekina kyomo governor boy county ya Isiolo oyore omoske Abdi Eguyo oyobono ndoche bono ebunge ye senate nero yanyarete komotoria ayo negati ari aramanna ase gazeti ya The Standard yerituko oriarero na gazeti ya Daily Nation
Matina there's no storytelling anymore. No kwetani chwa somira abu. Dinga abantu 31 banya tubasiko bagosema gimabo.
Yes.
To demonstrations here at Monday. The stories are jili kirene dinga chwa tabanga abantu bakwete mbakomo kepia bati nyake 12. Yolenge nyomba according to the reports.
Yes.
Nyomba ngo watch a movie. Cartoon. Research digacha.
Lakini so mwana mnyaraka bu miaka 12. Yo nabo nonyeda ya buga nabo korengere umwana oyo abana banyaroka especially nyumba alengi umwana omakuta maityo korobekana ningi
story ama straight bullets ajwaje bwata mangana let's create so kuna serikali ya investigate koreki nyore but that is an interesting story yo musayo mukuru I think is it Kitengele what in 21 you are 3 sons and then the family can decide to keep them over nyumba Osega mpaka the foreign day because baba tanga basaba kiromo biroyi uchibale ko kutamba na kwende evidence yao but the mom akoko ani nyagwira katebanga pamatu musikali mu ari research musikali na gwate issues na nekjaneke na essential business ya boda na matu musikali mu agete ntendo kokera kwa nengolinga nikala tebo mine
yes
musikali nya ko gwa trend akaleki chikoba prosecuted but you see now with that kind of evidence as a story it will require kimusikali yachikora ngerimu abe bunduki yetu nye kwambatana na research yake then also will be coming out from that. There's another student from Kiambu I think also from Mount Kenya University a law student in about research akatabanga agwe tsiga masasika wako asa kwenye maji kwa coordination yae
yes
sambare coordination moisondo mbaba press card but yoga so ngenda kunyuma akachukua record of film na brutality ya askari ile mskari wa makanya akaweka sasa ile forehead. There's another story ya opposition leaders already quote in quote wabo from Deputy President Gachagua. It was just Muturi Gaiga and there's Fred Matiang'i in the picture. They are calling for boycott your products or goods which companies are sitting down during the government. So I will check commission to advise the carry. I don't know Gachagua keta kwa colleague and mpaka identify the specific companies chia maybe chia president or the company chia Kimani Ichung'wah then it's appear to boycott. It was alternative narrow range companies. And he's doing the same script here, which is 2013. Or boycott, I think even 2017. Or boycott see some products. The story looting spree occurred on Monday. Sita. But the interesting story is the story Katana Kabere. Your central region, we in the side river funded more than 200 million.
Yes.
Supermarket even to River. That Mount Kenya towns are moving from havens of peace to outbreaks of destruction. The first time they are feeling the
heat. I think no ikitorikurigo chi county chinyinge kurwa central Kenya kuse Mount Kenya region na chichanya natukonya robo sali borigo.
Yes.
Yes.
So the reactions yesterday, former Prime Minister calling for talks and reforms, and they got criticism from different quarters. So they are saying that the National Dialogue Committee, that's another committee, implemented.
Yes.
The BBI report here waited through the courts. Everybody the interesting story, another thing, the teachers' policy to promote change. They are giving a minimum of 3 years moving from one job group to another. And the other one next, like this year, this financial year, particularly covering equally across the 47 counties.
Yes.
Those are the most interesting stories of the nation. I think Nigeria was a moment. And then you're talking sports.
Yes.
Check school at regional levels. I think in Nyanza region, mega and soon. So, kissing the word thing. Football. I think some metaya appeal. Kijanega and Reta say Nechese. Then it could be the brief nation.
Yes, thank you. Taifa Leo
actually triko vale na yuaga ndeta se lusas kurasa gazeti ya The Daily Nation kurende ndo cheka ukatili wa Sabasaba. Aina tu akwanere we have talked about the Sabasaba issue na hali yake ndeta kukolekana especially as ukurobekana ndo cheka iga ukatili wa Sabasaba ndo cheka iga mwenye nyimbo no mwananchi yomo wagendete ko minyokani mchezo uliopaka na panya kama kawaida rende karama ndamana kutoka na linene gabwe asenseme yende na to kwanira amangana yo moske Raila Odinga yoro muraibe kama ya ODM ndo cheka gaba Kenya bange bakonyara ko bako laramika gako garanga na igwe kantaka gotebanga tutagete ose Kenya getakire chinkwana. That reminds me when I asked you about how long are we going to have reports, because Kenya like nearly every time chinkwana ngokora kanachire.
Yes.
Chakara ko 2005 we have the work was report usetoka irvanga the Kilifi report ya cheten, then we have that there was some amendment cha wenta kokora kana 2005 tugaicha inenga kiyo moske Mwai Kibaki to chanainde we had talks as a country tukagenda say 2010 constitution moske Uhuru Kenyatta agaicha we had a handshake tukatwara BBI lakini techiti ko babuna wenta koba ga kwera at some point. Then we have bono ndobata nadu etaraba implemented and yet Muskerela ukwana amangana yogo kwana each report chinde, so it kind of frustrates Kenyans in a way, saying in Jonchiro are in place that they have never been implemented. And again, how long are we going to, for how many times, or say how many reports are we going to have achieve imechandera sense ya Kenya na manene as gazeti hiyo. Then they are talking about the issue of Abdi Guyo. The Senate was forced to terminate impeachment hiyo gwetera at the early stage, lakini ni ndo chichi comment chinyinge chia wa senator I happened to have followed bakatabanga the people of Isiolo could have got justice, lakini rende sengencho the law cannot allow them sengencho they have the procedural evidence teyo answered teyo. There is no public participation in Rochika in Erengia. They had to terminate the impeachment of Governor Abdi Guyo, but they did that with reservations. I have seen the proposal. There is some amendments. Standing orders. Muswado jire we impeachment of a governor to kwera at an early stage, because I think this is the second one. Hababu nto aroche kina kia Eric Mutai, I think ni governor ya Kericho. Nere ikakwera mapema esenye ncho procedure tanya tukawa chiku watiku. Alafu ndo chika kama elfu ya waandamana mjini Embu wakitaka mbunge wa Manyata by the achiliwe. Yonga ekatia maandamana arengi koro we have abantu ba Embu. Yes. Sababu inakisiwa kwamba na abwate case abonete ko answer ase ensemeywe ya Embu. Umoja wa Mataifa wamulika Kenya kuhusu mauaji 11. I think now, Matilda, we are going to a wrong direction. Esenge nchonga bono, there's some 11 people evacuated during the Sabasaba. As okurobekana kwa nyatikoba wokwanikigwa as chinsemo chinde kusichi county community sana na
hivi. Total nigere at 31 wali basire kubatakana no kurobekana kwa kanete kurudit kuria mwesonde. Yes.
Na watu 4 waaga dunia kutoka katika moto uliochoma kituo cha kikuu cha data aiwe na harare tofauti kidogo seme ya taifa leo.
People deal with why Mount Kenya is the epicenter of demo losses. Bono nga ase county chikuro soro kongoro Mount Kenya na bobanyalite konyora nacho chanyalite konyora sare nene ase kurubikana okugwa korekanete eri tukoria moisonde nekere korokia ni gondo chekorera kurupeja kabere goika ya gatano na kabere egoteba buna abantu ba orogongoro kosegatia barai ni gobasangire birengero byabo bagoteba na kero kende ni goro yoko gejwa kose ni gobusari obonge bogo korekana ro kubwatekana na libirira liage siasa no mono korwa omusikere gathigashagwa anyara gutuguterware kusikurusigwa abisi na bali aba bwatane kusabasane baimeke yuma bo musikere gathigashagwa nabo igo nabakagirwa bandi bo busaria niko bagendete kubeko byara ase okurubikana kwelituko oria moisonde na ayo naro ale ase gati ase osenara ale gati ya tobwate ase chigazeti erituko oria arero timetinga akose kero kene ankere oro mwabwate mware komentera nara igosange kerengereri kyae agote bangani balozi agote good morning our county I think aro kwanere county timetinga county ni ya Nyamira agote our county venye watu ni wengi ni venye watu wengi wako nje ya county niko live kurachinse mochi akirinyaga I think alo kwa county ya Nyamira nga abamenye abange niko bale isiko oyigate banga Joshua kurachinse mochi akitutu Masava constituency ndobwate Rose Michiemo nerate bakora pipeline musori korona Nakuru city atandi Kenya kurachinse mochi Kenya mbino murugya Lydia Kirubo Ekiongomeri kwenye Twamonyore Dominic Irere kurwa mukora David William aoteba kurwa Jogo Kisi Eli Mwache alivyo Elena Nyatuka ndo chari ni timu enene na Boigo Frederick Ogembo Victor Mondo Mienda na Barnabas Ratemoge kongenera gutanga kurwa Doa Katara na Boigo Surambaya Rosafi umwancho murigire abo negati abali bagendete kurika ujumbe chabo I think ase kekere busyo ntuchukurige ya mangana yo kurwani obukurume timetinga usemo batekerenge bora sangi kero to kura semo yisi gazeti yes
toko chinga seti alinde virengeri byanda the last 3 days maandamano are in this country government itakirire nyone the use of drug substances illegal drug substances it's unfortunate thing about noiga no setup ya usi katana bana biseke bagenya sore inyingi kubona nabana abo timase yawe ndagira lakini nende that's my observation now really you know never very respected in the society bango tumia banya sore mate monta tenga kunyanya so engeiko akima tengenge kunyo mambia na mabenge kwa ma so kuru nyumba kwa mabena nyumba kega ba combine ndema tukamange kwa nimetinyira tu mwaka ere nyakibere the impact is visible by day impact yenya so ke ya kre ya
ikira ya kuniro mubere rimo emyaka nsaba
aya bukunywa magwa mange ikase getotige onde ndi detoxify ira no mubera ira na akeiko akibanya so ya ngaza bani Imagine ya vile nyingi mune ya vile cheap ose ya vile accessible sa bana
available mono
but if you meet abana bange like now the building is town ngati bala ziru stop na baka ngiri ya so actually the figures are too and like now another country is about the figures sindonge abana baka ngiri so in this country either in high school or say college level or so college school because in your salary and office you walk in the street circuit town very 100 meters kwenye mbaka smoke nya so open space. And wale serikali ndio na sema wale ya mangana kile revosi chachiri goromo. In the next few days, few months, years from now, I'm trying to work the youth current youth group between 18 to 25. Paji kaka 35, and what family and what community.
Na baruchi by the way garama ndamana renge you will be surprised that no vare kunywiranga ne gari ya police by the akonyu no utaguchie gari so you can it's very alarming.
Ma we expect them musigali amukwana.
It is an issue. It's very alarming. I think this is if there is a national disaster, I think drugs are a national disaster. Na ndo konyoranga I don't know whether they are replacing because of frustration chegas bon ne remerme ya tokire yoko tumekenya sore but all in all asansema yana by the way ni mbate dondoga ya Rwase chisa mchurunga sigalame busia. Ngapono gaiga ino abugo kwani ligoronga na bugo ka 35 onya tuwa ti family. Ono mwangwano ya mokuru sigalame busia. Igache taka komba umanyaroko ya moko mutenga bono. Ntaka tetoka ende umuntu naro siri minto bara I'll pay you ntaka to ande obe muno umurugya. Bona kereka kona ngabachi tikuigwana. Ya bide ti umonso bati uli asaba pesa ase abantu bare. Bone kanyorekananga amaene igo
talenge
murugyo ya mukombo to because I demand 10,000 oranga tachietu kumwaka na mapema bone ga
bidi
asoke and I demand pay yae baigwana te 10,000
abantu babusia kero kende pressure abante uchi aba too much lakini tingagire tingane kere nebonte wikere ngo ikyo
lakini Matilda I've had most of the Gen Zs I'm in the bracket lakini I don't want to say it's my opinion agatavanga ahagopi kitu igento bawote gyoka nenyomo
amuga one word ujase
and that's what they say na mana abanda manaji awotenga into nenyomo yoka tobate
yes
you see now these people they have learned from somewhere there's no what matter my name bowling about either our environments in your moime okay they are good marriages by the
yes
human gene again so standard on the principles ebukuya teta andanyo mane for education purposes or konya na nini but when basa allow kinaona you have grown to actually miaka ito bona could be the last youth group pamete twakenduna bigoli hapa metam abandao kinabona including now us tubanyete konyome tumumete kana mfamete kana aida kikazi umwakosani usiku bana bana kwa siku banyomba aba mama baba tanyomiri they are the kind of people to as a community in the next 20 years but I think is there anything about discipline including the people demonstrating now about living the one ana ni bana ndo acha get I think ngakia yo saitoti yangi education iboko biganza kokea nganga for time that
abana mbaitire school
okuno mwana okoire police wasol for assault on this is the generation same way the generation to what abona iga abana bakinete without their parents
sure
montara abutua mantenga nje mama tata na community these are the kind of people we want to have in the next 20 years the community.
Actually, when you see there's a essence of umuiboli kutoka say abaiboli bonds actually because the father figure naro na kwenda kora kelia abamuraba and other things even the daughters. I remember when the Gen Z went to demonstration actually was it Penina Malonza who said these are the sons and daughters of single mothers Yani they're indisciplined. And you find out that the rate of single motherhood and even the single parenthood, single-handedly, minus the mother who is there, tarasira. It means it's very alarming. Also, could it be? It's a factor. One anda ba igen bako wera nyomonda batateke ba kinere amazingira bataro chubwanja nubo bo bayibuli bonse. On they feel like nyome that I'm being taken care of my mother alone, then be it.
Na bo bago te banga.
On Monday, on Tuesday next week. On Friday, actually.
On Friday, yeah, Friday.
We need to have an expertise on William Swag, marriage, future.
Bago te banga nimefika kwa kinandoa siku rahisi. Nga bako nda basi omeri bairana. Mwancho muligere tokogenda umutimo komoke linde aseke. Kigera fusi tunyara kusanga na bageni feli tukoria rero.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura bache kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura bache kuya mandege.